So very simple again, liver, brine in milk and salt so that seasoning reaches the center or somewhere near the center of the liver. So it tastes seasoned from inside. It's not seasoned just from outside. We discard it because there's blood which comes out, but blood is, because it's liver, it's purifying blood. We need all the unworked blood out of the system. So we throw out, we do it once more, rest it, crumb it in panko. Panko is Japanese breadcrumbs, you get it everywhere. It's no longer one of those hotel ingredients. Okay, so that's one bit of it. Next is a broth. Now, I pre-made the broth, the recipe is right there. And again, the reason why we didn't want to do it a la minute in front of you is because we rest a lot of our liquids, especially flavor extraction requires it to rest overnight with the ingredients. It does really, it does wonders for the, for the final flavor to be. So this is a fresh turmeric, coconut milk and green peppercorn broth. Very simple dish, you can make it at home. So again, a very small tip, whenever you sear anything, be it salmon, chicken, whatever, it just helps if your oil is flavored also. So, instead of chopping it up, just add a whole sprig, it's easy to remove. Because it's brine, we don't want to cook it too much. We of course would want to hold it for a while after we cook it. So, because it's panko, so yeah, I have some, and there's enough heat in the pan to carry over the cooking, right? These are lettuce root tips, very crunchy, very nutritious. You just slice it thinly so that it replicates lettuce to a certain extent. So we just pile it on here. So this is the kind of brown we're looking at. In your recipe, it writes strain. Strain it, but put back the peppercorns, Because the reason why you're using green peppercorns is purely for that purpose. We want it to munch through it because it's munchable, unlike black ones. So here we go, it's very simple. We just press it. These are green pea shoots, you can do it on your own. So this is it, this is crisp liver.